Hi, welcome to Mouthfeel. Today I'm going to show you a herbal drink that will help you get rid of cough, cold, and sore throat. You will need pepper, jeeragam, palm sugar, and little water. You need leaves from 3 plants. Right now, what you're looking at is called Karpuravalli, called as Omavalli or Ajwain leaves. This plant has many medicinal values. Especially, it reduces nasal congestion, or if you have sore throat, it's better to consume these leaves directly after washing. You're looking at tulasi leaves right now. It is used as a mouth freshener, and if you're suffering from lung or respiratory disorder, you can regularly take tulasi water. The leaves you're looking at right now is called betel leaf or vetrilla in Tamil. You can also grow these plants indoor. All they need is little water and sunlight. Betel leaves helps relieve cough, it treats respiratory problems, and it also improves your digestion. After you collect the leaves from these plants, wash them very thoroughly. In a vessel, add water. Once the water is hot, add the leaves from Karpuravalli, betel, and tulasi. Add pepper and jeeragam. Give it a gentle stir and let it boil. Prevention is better than cure, isn't it? So, the moment you sense you have a nasal or throat infection, prepare this drink and start drinking immediately. You can also prepare a powder from these leaves by drying them in sunlight, so it becomes handy when you need them the most. You can add the palm sugar and give it a stir. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Filter the juice and you can discard the leaves. Now ready, you can serve it hot. Remember to drink this twice daily for about 3 to 4 days. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.